Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pratyusha here. In this video, I want to show you all how I organized my laundry area with the Dollar Tree baskets. So when you use the similar kind of baskets on a space, it looks more clean and organized. And you can also keep so many items in these baskets. So let's see how I organized. Purchase these baskets in the springtime. I like this color, and these type of baskets are very useful to keep on the top shelf so that it is easy to grab. So let me open what are they in these baskets. I kept a big basket of baking soda. I purchased this baking soda in Costco. So I am keeping this one in the laundry area so that we can refill the small packs and we can also use them in the laundry area. So one of these basket holding the baking soda. In another similar basket, I kept the downy and scent boosters. I also kept the labels so it is easy to identify them. The two big baskets, I kept the microfiber towels and sponges in one basket and tied pack a big pack in another basket. They are my everyday use laundry items. So I kept Tide pots in one glass jar and scent boosters and also bleach along with some dish detergent. I also have this Dollar Tree tray where I can keep all of these items together so they can be put together. One of the baskets I kept the large trash covers, and in another basket I kept the tools of the vacuum cleaner. The vacuum cleaner is also located in the washing area, and the other two baskets are to be washed clothes, dirty towels. This is another small trash can. I found it in the Dollar Tree. This is so useful for me to keep the lint every time I unload the dryer. So I put the lint in this trash can. This is how I organize my laundry area with all the Dollar Tree baskets. I also use the labels to identify the items easily. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful to you. Bye. I will see you in another video.